Got this guy here now. Earlier, a couple minutes ago, there was another one, and it was moving at a fast rate of speed. It just disappeared. I know a lot of people might think they're satellites or whatnot, but these are really bright, really low to the ground, look like stars. And I would imagine this one's gonna disappear as well. I did have an app that would tell you what satellites are going by and whatnot, but I don't know what happened to it. But yeah, this trips me out. It's another one. I just had another one fly by me. Like I said, really fast, headed actually from north to south. This one's heading west to east. And yeah, haven't had too much Bigfoot activity lately. Been trying to get out as much as possible. We're over in Reno the other day, and we're coming over the, I believe it was the 80, I forgot what highways we were on, but basically got caught in a crazy storm. Saw about 10 accidents, heavy snow. It was just a trip, but I'm gonna let this go ahead and see how far the camera will record. Gotta dump a bunch of data so I could start documenting stuff again. Not too focused there, but you see our subject. And the other one that just went by must have been about 5 minutes ago. It was going by so fast I couldn't get my camera. So I just stared at it and document that, stick that file in my brain. There it goes, phasing out. Probably headed towards Shasta. Hope everyone's doing well during the situation that's going on with the coronavirus and everything else going on out there. Hope everyone's well. Y'all take care.